What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another quad vlog. Oh, can we make the light? Can we make the light? Yes. Yes, we can. Barely. Woo! I hope all you guys had a good week. I know I did. And if this car is going to let me get over, I'm definitely going to get over. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I smell burning like oil and coolant, and I'm hoping it's not my four-wheeler. I'm hoping it's this car in front of me. And I mean, judging by the way it looks, it probably is, so that's a good thing. Oh, we need to get moving. Wind feels so good. It's been like 100 degrees every single day again this week, so it's like super not fun to like just be out on the quad or out on the motorcycle because I'm just like sweating constantly. It's 9 a.m. right now, probably the earliest I've ever went out riding, just because it's 80 degrees and it's pretty much the only time I can ever ride and not die. So, I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know if you guys saw last week's video, but we did a coolant change on the Raptor, and this morning I just went and had it added a little bit more coolant to top it off because I noticed it was a little low. And if you guys are wondering how much I had to add, it was pretty much just like a ½ inch, probably even a ¼ inch of that coolant bottle. So not very much. So the coolant change is looking good. So right now I'm headed out to kind of like the north side of town, kind of it's like industrial, and that's where I'm gonna go practice wheelies today. I'm sure I put that in the title. Today I'm gonna try to make kind of a shorter video of some wheelie practice. A couple weeks ago, yeah, 2 videos ago, I uploaded a video and I was trying to do some wheelies in that video and they were awful. I'll probably throw a clip in right now. Woo! So as you guys can see, those wheelies are pretty terrible. We're maybe getting an inch, maybe 2 off the ground on the good ones. So honestly, I'll be happy with any progress we make today. And this morning before I left, I made sure to inflate each of my rear tires to basically the same PSI. So I'm hoping that kind of eliminates, like when I wheelie, or at least try to wheelie, like the quad pulling to the left or right. Alright, this is a place I did it last week, and it's a pretty good spot. Not a lot of cars at all, except this guy. Or cow, sorry. Yeah, this is a pretty decent spot, I think. Alright, here we go. Oh, I got scared. That's lame. Oh, that was third. God, I did that last video too. I let off. Should not have let off. I think I just have to cruise for a little bit. I feel this thing getting a little hot. Alright, second gear. Going slow. That was terrible. I'm still pretty bad. I'm still pretty bad. I feel like I just need to keep doing a bunch of those and get comfortable with actually like popping it up there, and then I can try to find my balance point, because I know I'm still obviously pretty dang far from actually balance point, but I mean, I think I just need to get comfortable popping the wheel up like higher. Another thing that I'm going to be looking into that I think will help me do wheelies a little bit better is getting a twist throttle, because I don't know what it is about this thumb throttle. It just feels kind of unnatural. But so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get a twist throttle like sooner or later, and I think that should help me a lot. Since I primarily just ride this thing on the street now, I feel like having a twist throttle is not only gonna be like more comfortable, but I'll be able to have my entire hand, you know, grip the handlebar versus having my thumb off when I do wheelies. So I don't know, I think that'll make it a little bit easier too. If any of you guys have twist throttles on your quads, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you guys like them or hate them, or I mean, I've seen them on Amazon. You can pick one up for like 60, 70 bucks, or maybe even cheaper than that now. I don't know, but I've looked into it before, and I think I'll probably pull the trigger, because I think since I ride it on the street, like I said, I think it's definitely something I should look into. Well guys, I think we got maybe a little better. That's about it. Still definitely need to do some practice. I don't know. I think I just got to commit to more revs and get the wheel even higher and work on finding that balance point. And a little bit earlier I mentioned getting that twist throttle, and honestly I think I'll probably go home and order the thing right now, just because I know that if I got it, I'd probably feel a little bit more confident, because I could have my entire hand like wrapped around, you know, the handlebar when I go to do a wheelie. To run over these traffic things. So I think this is where I'm going to end the video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me fail at some more wheelies. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to drop me a like and subscribe below, and I will see you guys next Saturday for another quad vlog.